Hello medical PG aspirants, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is an update from the Madhya Pradesh High Court interim order allowing 3 medical students petitioners to register in the online portal of NEET PG 23 examination, which is scheduled to complete on today, that is 27th January, holding that students are not at fault for the delayed organization of the medical examination and also for the subsequent declaration of result, which makes them ineligible to take up the NEET PG 23 examination, which is scheduled on March 5th. The National Board of Examination and the Medical Council of India had already extended the cut-off date from 31st March to June 30th. Even after this extension, there are several students in various medical colleges across the country that they failed to complete the internship by 30th June. The Madhya Pradesh students have taken up their final year MBBS examination in May 22 and their result was published on July 23rd last year. And they have started their commencement of internship by 25th July and thereby completing the internship by 25th of this year. The students belongs to 2017-18 batch. Because of the delayed conduct of examination and the result published by the Madhya Pradesh Medical University of Health Sciences, the students become ineligible to take up the NEET PG 23 examination. Not only this institution, there are several medical colleges across the country who have not yet completed their internship by June 30th. For instance, the Kaloji Narayana Rao University of Health Sciences at Telangana, the students of Kakadia Medical College and other medical colleges are completing their internship only in August 11th of this year. These students are also become ineligible to take up the university examination, that is PG 23 examination, for the delayed part by the university concerned. This is the latest update. This is an interim order only. It is not a final passed order. I have uploaded the court order also. Students not at fault for examination delay. Madhya Pradesh High Court on medicos plea. This is the Times of India report. Madhya Pradesh High Court grants interim relief to MBBS students. Madhya Pradesh MBBS students allowed to apply for NEET PG 23 despite completing internship in July. This is the interim order passed by the Madhya Pradesh High Court at Jabalpur. The authorities are directed to accept their applications without reference to the clause pertaining to cut-off date of completion of internship. All further actions will be subject to further orders of this court. This order was passed on 24th January. For updates, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, medical PG aspirants.